What's up everybody, Landon here with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be taking a quick look at Steeda's low-profile jacking rails designed for the 2005 to 2014 S197 Mustangs, as well as installing a set onto our 2011 Mustang GT. Steeda's low-profile jacking rails are a must-have for all 2005 to 2014 S197 Mustang enthusiasts. Steeda designs these low-profile jacking rails in CAD, so fit and finish is going to be spot on. They're even made right here in the USA. They're going to be constructed from 2-inch by 1-inch steel tubing, and as you can see, the brackets are pre-welded, and then the entire jacking rail is finished off in a wrinkled black powder coat for durability from the elements. In the box will be a driver and passenger side jacking rail, as well as grade 10.9 hardware to bolt the jacking rails to the car. As far as fitment is concerned, these jacking rails are designed to fit all 2005 to 2014 S197 coupe and convertible Mustangs. To begin the install, support the car via a lift or jack stands. Loosen and remove the two 18mm K-member to body bolts. Use a pry bar to separate the K-member so that you can slide the jacking rail underneath. The jacking rail will only go on one way, so you don't have to worry about messing this up. Align the bolt holes and start the previously removed bolts by hand. Do not fully tighten. Align the rearward bolt holes with the holes in the car. Start the provided bolts by hand and then go ahead and fully tighten. Fully tighten the front bolts. Do the same for the other side. For convertible models, simply slide the rearward bracket underneath the bracing and reuse the factory hardware. Also keep in mind that you may have to remove any seam seal that keeps the rail from sitting flush against the car. After that, you can double check your work and then you're all finished. All right guys, these Steeda low profile jacking rails again are a must have for all 05 to 14 S197 Mustang owners. As far as installation is concerned, it's pretty straightforward. Of course, you'll need a jack, some jack stands, and a basic set of hand tools. Now, of course, it's probably in your best interest to use a urethane or rubber pad between your jacking rail and the jack plate. That way you don't run the risk of scuffing the powder-coated wrinkle finish. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lite.